In the Midwest, we're built different. See what our team loves the most about winter.
I'd say the worst part, I mean, it's no secret we live in the tundra, it's gotta be the cold.
It definitely is harder to get stuff done in the shorter days versus in those long summer days working all day.
I think I did like the splits yesterday when I was walking through the parking lot.
When
Yeah,
it
full of
snows,
hammy.
you get a little layer of snow over it, you forget, and the morning you're walking in, you're thinking about grabbing the door.
The layers and layers of coats, Under Armours, sweatshirts you gotta put on before you even leave the house. Other than that, I love winter actually.
I do not like winter at all. Probably shoveling is why. I don't like sweating while I'm cold either.
Like for us service techs, right? 70 degrees, negative 30, 70 degrees.
The thing I hate most about winter is driving outside in the ice.
I like winter because I can hunt coyotes. They're easier to see in the snow.
I don't like the winter because I can't ride my Harley.
I don't like winter because our customers don't like winter.
Turns out our team doesn't love the winter, but we work through it and find a way to make it fun. That was an actual flaw.